Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Sherman today from Sherman and Mr. Peabody. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to have his head kind of here with his hair, and we're going to have his body with his crossed arms, his pants, and his little Sherman legs. Okay, so to start with, we are going to draw a circle with another circle inside of that circle. Then we're going to draw a little line coming across, and I'm going to just mark this so I get it about the same size. Go. Another circle inside that circle. Then we're going to draw some little droopy lines like that with a letter N, like so. Circles inside that, and a circle inside that. Woo! All right, then we're going to draw some more lines like that for the side. I'm going to draw a little nose line with a little W under it. Then we're going to draw his little face that goes right up to his glasses, some teethies. And we got some eyebrows up here, which are kind of droopy lines, like that. Then we're going to come underneath. And he's got a pretty square, a soft square U underneath of that. Then we've got the ears, which are C's. Another little accent line. Another C inside of it. We have another C over here, an accent line, and a C inside of it. Then we're going to draw a little bit of the hair. So we've got some little zigzaggies coming here. And then we've got some lines coming around like so. Line coming down. And we've got some zigzaggies coming up, coming back down, like that. Oop. And coming back down. There we go. All right, now for the neck. Boink, boink, not straight, going in. Then we've got a curved line there. Little line here for his neck. And we've got a couple of lines here and here for the inside of his arms. And we have like a J here. And then it comes up and meets up with that. And then we have another J like there. Up and meets there. And then we have a line here with some little bumpies, and that's his one hand underneath. Then we've got an arm coming across, up, and then an elbow coming down, getting skinnier over here with a W on it. And then another elbow coming here. And then, yeah, just like that. Okay, then this is gonna, let's see, let's draw this down. Yep, all right. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of his shirt. And we're gonna draw his shorts. Like that. there's the one leg coming down with his socks. And here's his tongue on his shoe, and his shoe are little lines coming down, around. Here's the bottom of his shoe, comes around like that. And then we've got the laces on his shoes. Go. Put a little line there. And then comes up like that. All right, let's do the other side. So the other side, here's his little skinny leg, little slouchy socks with some wiggles. Here's the first part of the shoe, the heel. And this one's kind of coming around a little differently. And then we've got the front part of the shoe. So we've got the tongue, just like that. All right, looks pretty good. I think if I had to do this over, I'd make this over here more, get rid of that. I'd put this over here more, get rid of that. Yeah, I like that better. Just like that. Okay, and there you have Sherman. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.